Street Smart Entertainment presents. Hey, we're out here on the streets right now to find out if anybody is smarter than their smartphone. Are you smarter than your smartphone? Let's find out. Come on. Let's see if we can find someone who knows about the Android market. Have you seen this guy? I'm looking for this guy. Yes, I'm Borak. Can you help me out for a second?
Yeah, sure.
You know where I can find the Android market?
What is this?
The Android market?
You need to find the market.
Yeah, I need to find the market.
Oh, okay. I think you won't find it here.
You know this guy? You've seen this guy? This is the Android.
Ah, this is the Android. Okay,
Yeah, you know what the Android is?
Yeah, I got it now.
Now we're good. Now we're good. We're good.
You can buy apps there?
Exactly. So you know.
I do.
The Android Market is the shop for Android apps, which is a Google app program.
So what's an app?
An app is like a small program or software you put on your mobile phone.
Wait a second. Are you a computer programmer?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I have an app for weather. I
There
have
you
an
go.
app for playing, like a game.
Oh yeah, like the one where you shoot the people?
No, not that one.
Languages,
Tetris.
navigation.
Google Maps is the best one because
Google
I get
Maps?
lost constantly.
How many apps do you think you can buy in the Android market?
About 100,000.
250,000 apps.
That many?
You know how many 250,000 is?
That's a lot.
Count the 250,000.
No.
Have you ever tried to buy 250,000
Anything.
anything? Apps.
I love apps.
So there you have it. With over 250,000 apps on the Android market, there's no end to the fun you can have with your Xperia Mini.